Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you go about signing up and creating an account through the Crypto.com application on your phone. And to get a bonus when you sign up, you can use my referral link down in the video description. But what we want to do is get the Crypto.com app on our phone. If you're on an Android device, you're going to get this in the Google Play Store. If you're on an Apple device, it's going to be in the Apple App Store. And to show you what this looks like in the Google Play Store, it's going to be named Crypto.com-Buy Bitcoin Now. This is the app you're looking for. You're going to want to download it and install that. And once you've successfully installed the Crypto.com application, we're going to launch it. And now we're going to head into the sign up process. And again, if you want that bonus for using a referral, you can use mine. I'll post it down in the description. So we're going to click where it says sign up. And then it's going to give us some information about Crypto.com. You can go through these if you want. Otherwise, you can click skip in the upper right-hand corner. And now what we need to do is enter in an email address that we want associated with our Crypto.com account. So you enter that in here and then read over the terms and conditions and privacy note, check that box, and then click continue. And then for me, it's asking to complete this slide puzzle to verify that I'm a human. And then after completing the puzzle, we get a little check mark here and it says check your email for a confirmation link to continue. So going over to the inbox of my email, it wasn't in the focused area, it was in the other. And depending on what email program you're using, you might find this email in the junk folder, the clutter folder, the other folder. So if it's not in your main inbox, you might be able to find this email from Crypto.com in one of those other inboxes. So then opening up our confirmation email, we just go down and click where it says login. And then it says your email address is confirmed. Tap anywhere on the screen to continue. So now it's going to ask us for our phone number. So we're going to enter in the phone number that we want associated with our Crypto.com account and then click where it says send verification code. So then they're going to text you that verification code. So you want to copy that down and then enter it into this area to move on to the next step. And as long as you type in that verification code correctly, then it says your phone number is confirmed. Tap anywhere to continue. And then it says, thanks for joining us. We'd love to send you exclusive offers, new updates via email or in-app messages. So if you want these, you can check this box down here at the bottom. Otherwise, if you don't want these, then you can just click continue. The information that we're going to need to verify our identity in the Crypto.com account is our full legal name, our ID, as well as a selfie. So what we want to do is click where it says continue. So type in your full legal name as it's shown on your ID. And once you enter in your full legal name, then click continue at the bottom. And then Crypto.com is going to ask for permission to take pictures and record video. You need to do this so that you can take pictures of your ID. And then you're going to need to select the type of document you wish to scan, whether it's a driver's license or an identity card. I'm going to do a driver's license, so I'm going to select that option. And then you're going to take a picture of the front and then the back of your ID. And just double check to ensure that all the data on your document is visible and readable. And if it looks good, click continue. And after taking a picture of the back of your ID, the next step is to capture your face. So we're going to click continue. And once that is successful, it'll say we will notify you once your verification is complete within the next 2 to 3 business days. Tap anywhere to continue. All right, guys, so they just sent me a text saying that my application, the verification process was successful. And it actually only took about 5 to 10 minutes, definitely a lot quicker than the 2 to 3 business days that it said on the previous screen. So now that I'm verified, I'm going to open up the Crypto.com app. And it says documents and selfie approved. Your verification is approved. Tap anywhere to continue. And now it wants us to set a passcode for our Crypto.com account. So enter in a 6-digit passcode on this screen and then confirm the passcode. And then it says passcode set. Your passcode is confirmed. Tap anywhere to continue. And then you can select your payment currency on this page and then click confirm. And then tap anywhere to continue. And then enter in our passcode to move on to the next page. And then you can read the updated terms and conditions, check that box, and then click confirm. And then finally, that'll take us to the homepage of the Crypto.com application. And again, guys, when you're signing up, if you want to get that referral bonus, you can use my referral down in the description. I hope this video was helpful, and I'm going to continue to make these tutorial videos on all of the common questions that people have about the Crypto.com application, so you can check those out over at my YouTube channel as well. So I appreciate you stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.